Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable guest checkout in Odoo. So to do that in this platform you need to allow customers to place orders without creating a required account login. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the website app here. And then just open the configuration menu or tab right at the top bar and then go with the settings. Right, so now guys, you will need to enable the guest checkout just from here. So you will need us first to move to the e-commerce tab or section. And here where you can find the sign in up at checkout. So if it optional, it means the customers may check out as guests or sign in. Disable is no login and sign up available or required. Mandatory, the account required before checkout on that option. So actually guys, you will need to select the optional. Okay, so this enables the guest checkout and then just go with save to save the changes. And also guys, I'd really advise to simplify the checkout page. That's optional, but as a tip, you can reduce the friction by removing unnecessary address fields, disabling company name requirements, minimizing the checkout steps. So this is done through the website builder, the checkout from customization, and developer mode. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.